me one last time. One last time, I'm going to make myself centre of attention. Alrighty? You get a bit of a break, you'll call me up, you'll be saying, can you yell at me or do something soon. I'm actually going to hand over to Kate. She's asked, she wants to kick things off here. But just as a little bit of a rundown, we're going to do a bit of a presentation here. Kate will say a few words. What we are going to do is call up each player individually. Each player that gets called up, I want that player's parent or parents to come up and present them with the medal that they earned today. Okay, say a few words please about your boy and maybe the season he's had or whatever you like really. Call him out, I'm not doing the dishes at home, I don't mind, it's your time. So, but yeah, please don't leave your boy hanging. When we call him out, both the player and parents come up, we'll give you the medal. We'd like you to present your boy with it. So yeah, I'll hand over to Kate now. She'll run things. Thank you.
Yeah, Kate.
So today wasn't just about a scoreboard. That's it. It was about heart. Yeah. It was about strength. It was about the kind of season that builds a legend. Not just in wins, but in the way the team shows up for each other.
Get her away from.
Hey, it looks easy. It's not.
It's not. To our Mustangs team, our boys, our champions. What a ride it's been. What a season. You should be proud. You've trained hard, played harder, and lifted each other through every tackle, every try, and every tough moment. You've worn the jersey with pride. And you've made your family, your coach, your management crew, and your community proud. This season, you showed us what it means to be champions, not just in a game, but in character. You've backed your mates, you've bounced back from setbacks, and you've brought joy to every sideline. That's the kind of legacy that lasts. So as we hand you these medals today, know this, they're not just for playing in the grand final, they're for the courage, the camaraderie and the commitment you've shown all season long. You are Mustangs, you are champions. Over to you.
So yeah, we had a bit of a chat on the field, but for the parents that weren't there, I congratulated the boys on a great season. Massive achievements this year. We really have grown, I think, every game. We can go on for a fair while about all our excuses. Slow start to the year, we had injuries early, really hurt us. We lost players for the season. But like Kate said, we rose above it, we faced our challenges, and it really was the next up attitude. What happens next? So, really big growing year that I'm very proud of. The resilience shown. We played some games with one reserve when both teams were playing away from each other, and then we were able to lean heavily on the fours when we could play together, or the games was spaced apart. So it has been a very big one team, one dream effort this year. We were happy to see the Fours brothers make the finals as well. That was a big thing that we wanted, was to train together and be one group. We see a lot of other clubs where the teams don't gel and they don't get along. There's always going to be banter between teams. That's good. It's a bit of competitiveness, keeps it alive. But I think above everything, there was a lot of respect shown amongst the two squads, and we're both going to one goal. So very appreciative of the year that we did have. We're just talking to a few dads then, and obviously the goal, you'd love to win everything in life, but it probably is the best outcome for us this year. I can only imagine the size of some of these heads if we had a Rolston in Div2 and won it in 1 year. Just clock this game onto the next. So this will help build a bit of a fire in our belly. But if you haven't got a lot of confidence out of yourself and this team from this season, you've been watching the wrong channel, I think. You've been great. So I'd love to see you start next season with the confidence and the belief that we do belong here. And with the goal of still going higher again. So, yeah, very happy I'd very much like to thank our support and our club. You guys have been amazing. This team grows another leg, when we get to play in front of a good crowd. And unfortunately, our season draw didn't let us do it too often this year. But I know these boys really do appreciate our Mustangs crowd. And when you show up and cheer us on, they just absolutely love it. And I love seeing it too. So thank you so much. Give yourselves a clap for that. I love our culture. That's something East don't have. We went and watched, as soon as we won last week, we went over to Rochdale to see who we'd play in the grand final. We had a fair idea it would be East. The most noticeable thing was as soon as the game was over, they all just up and left. They left individually. They're not a team of mates. They're there for the trophies. It was just very, I don't know, it was bland. It wasn't. They didn't enjoy it. Like I said, the fact that they left individually, I sort of put out during the week that I was thinking about going. And then when I said in the shed, right, I'm about to leave, boys, all the boys are, yeah, we're all coming, coach, we're all coming. So I was like, all right, well, let's have some rules then, because I didn't want to go there yahooing and carrying on. But the fact that we were there as a team speaks volumes. All right, the fact that we've grown together, you know, we have campouts, we hang out together, you know, we get together, we enjoy each other's company, then we go off to our separate schools as well and whatnot, and we look forward to catching up and seeing each other. It's a testament to yourselves and what we've grown. So like I said to you on the field, I'd much rather be in this camp today. This is my home. This is where I want to be. So.
And that's a testament to you, Coach.
All right, so this is your last chance. I'm not expecting no, I'm shy, I don't speak no English, no. Yeah, I went there because I know. All right, season's over. I got all the time in the world now. You will say something nice about your child today, okay? If you don't want to, send a grandparent or a friend if you really don't think that highly of your boy, okay? Sorry? Shots? And then you'll all find out just how easy public speaking is. It's awesome. Gonna go team list order? We'll go team list order and I'll give everyone that way. You got a bit of a chance to plan it. So, number 1, he's been awesome all year, Dre.
Your turn.
First and foremost, on behalf of my family, my wife and his siblings, and Andre himself, we obviously want to give the utmost thanks to his Heavenly Father for not only guiding him, but also his team throughout this whole season. Andre is a child of very little words. Some of you who do know him, he doesn't say much, unless he's with his teammates. To keep it short, I'm really proud of him for what he's achieved. He's been through a lot of trials this year as a teenager growing up. So as my testimony as his father, I'm really proud of what he's done. It's not the result that he really wanted, but I know that whenever he takes that field with his teammates, he gives it his all, and he doesn't play for himself, and that's a really humbling thing as a father, that he puts others before himself. So to thank his coach, his teammates, and also the rest of the supporters, really thank you for taking him on under this beautiful club, and we really appreciate that. So I give this medal to my son on behalf of the rest of the team. So.
Number 2, Connor.
Stand
stand up there.
So Connor played a couple of games before he broke part of his hand and he had some time off and he come back and he was ready to tackle the team and tackle other players and get that ego going. But he's really, really done us proud. The man that he is becoming today is something I can only hope for in a boy. Being a teenager as well, this generation is super hard. But yeah, I'm really proud of his efforts. I know he loves all you boys. He talks about your time, especially on it. And I really love the respect and that he has for coach. Has a lot of respect and a lot of love for him. And then John's going to say something.
I guess coming back after his hand, he was like sketchy, he didn't really like run as hard, I guess, and more the mental side of it, and then all the boys started team up, and then come back, put a big hit on, post those TikToks.
I'm really proud of him.
And all the other boys, like only yesterday, things like all the boys in general, like even just helping me out, like training and stuff like that, he's all connected in that way, like he's all girls, good, like good, it's really good for like community to be a part. Obviously, like everything is the way we started to get that now, but music had it like at least last year as well. Yeah, he's always connect, he's all good, and yeah, pretty good. Come back next year to do it again.
Good boy. Give us mama.
Number 3, Isaac.
Yeah, ace, thanks to you.
Alright. First, I just want to thank the team for being amazing friends to Isaac. And I want to thank the coach for stepping in and being a male role model and father figure. Isaac, I'm so proud of you every day because you don't think you'll get up early for.
It's good.
You never hesitate to train, whether it's at home, school, or club. You're always here, even if you're sick or injured, and your dedication is what I can't be proud enough of it. You play well, you aim your spot, and it's okay.
Number 4, Dom.
Hi everyone. Hi. So our son here. First of all, I'd like to thank God for this day. God for giving us this day and for all of us being here. And the coach, management, everyone involved, team. You know, Dom's not a very talkative person.
I don't know his name.
He's
What happened?
a humble child and he loves footy. Give him a ball and you'll just run. Thank you for making him feel a part as a family in the Mustangs. Really appreciate you guys. Win or lose, we still go. We still keep going.
Yeah.
Still keep going. We're always winners. But we have this son. Keep going. Very easy. Play.
Number 5, Cruzito.
Not a very cuddly person.
So proud of her. He's
I'm just so happy to be part of Mustangs, and I'm so proud of all of you. Great team. Here you go.
Well done. Well, you're not a cuddly bunch, are you?
Number 6, our captain, Zach.
I'd just like to say my wife's going to say a few words.
Old mate here's gonna cry. I hate talking in front of people, but I want to say I will do that because I love Zach so much, and we are so proud of him. I love all you boys. Like, you guys are my own children. So I just want to say that Zach's leadership of them out on the field. He's a natural leader, which I'm super proud of. He always stays calm and hopefully keeps you guys on track through training and out on the field. He loves footy. He's only been here 3 years and he's already exceeded what we ever thought he could do on the field. And we really look forward to seeing you guys play for years to come together.
Thanks, thanks
now.
boys for putting your trust in him and asking him to be your captain. Same with Turkey, thanks for the trust. You boys, I just can't wait to see you play next year.
Yeah.
Just like his dad.
Oh, hair.
Yeah. It will go though, it will go.
I only just realised when I said number 6 what was coming up at number 7. And I do enough talking. I'm gonna challenge you and say Xavier number 7.
I didn't prepare anything, so I expected Sabajos to do all the talking.
Someone filming this. Be your phone.
We'll be right. All right. Okay. So firstly, thank you to everyone that's ever had anything to do with the team, not just management, but all the people who volunteer their time, and especially to all the supporters that come out. It is so exciting knowing that you're coming to watch these boys play, and whether it's a win, loss or draw, we always come away excited for the next game. So I was only just saying before, I cannot wait for the next season already. Even though this one's just finished, I can't wait to watch and see how you do next year, because every year you get better and better. And so do you all. And we are both so very, very proud of you. I don't know if I've missed anyone.
I'd just like to say,
I knew he wouldn't be able to help me.
I just know I knew you had to give you a chance. It can't be easy having Dad as coach and at home telling you to do dishes and shit like that. There is a bit of hard time always being the voice. You handle it really well, and I'm extremely proud of where you've come. Yeah. Well done, Number 8, Missy.
Just the ones who want to thank the Mustangs family, the volunteers, coaching staff. It's a bit of background on Missy. It's come a long way. He lost his grandmother a few years ago, and to see how he's grown to who he is now, how much value he's added to the boys, the team, and the growth that he's growing into the young man he is today. It's full credit to everyone here. They played a massive part in his life, especially coming into this club first year out of union, and see the hard work he puts in on the field and off the field. It's a testament to everyone who's helped him out, especially the Missy. Congrats, Missy. And unfortunately for the result, but at the end of the day, like what I heard about the good things I heard about this club, and especially for us, it's the culture and the family that's built this club and the foundation. And, speaking of Messi on the way here, he wanted to play with his cousins and that next year at another club, but I left that decision to him, and he's always said he wants to come back. So. That's the confidence that he has with the club as well as us and the family. So thank you everyone, and thank you.
Hey, you'll have to bring all the cousins here.
I hope he brings that shoulder. Number 9, my favourite.
We really get a chance to tell Finn how proud we are of him. And how awesome he is. It's usually telling us how awesome he is. But we are very proud of what he's achieved this year, and we know he loves his team so much. He's so proud to be a Mustang. I'm going to tell you. But more than anything, he just loves playing a bloody good game of footy with his mates. And I think it reflects in all of them when they go out there.
He's the shortest guy in the team with the biggest ears. But he's a little ferret. There's a hole somewhere, he's in it. Kicks a few goals. He might be a little fella, but he's got a bit of ticker in him. And all these guys here, I've never been as proud of you as today. I've seen you grow through the last couple of years, a lot of you. Awesome. Hope you all come back next year. And we'll show that bloody PRL who's the boss, eh?
Number 10, the vice captain, mate. I'll take it.
So 3 years ago, Jermaine decided he wanted to play football, and we went to Browns Plains, and they were full. We went to Logan Brothers, they were full. So Tainer said, I'm going to take him to that little club called Mustangs, and they weren't full. And I thank God every day that we came here. You boys have created something special. It's, I think, unheard of. Not many teams grow up in a division and end up in the grand final, so you guys should be really proud of that. Very proud of everything you've achieved, Maney. You know, I know you cop a lot from your dad. A lot of pressure on your shoulders, and we're very proud of you. And you take it all in your stride, and we think you are amazing. And I think all of you are amazing. And I love the friendship you boys have, because I love that at any given time, some of you will just be at our house. And I love that friendship, because I think a lot of other teams don't have that. So you guys should all be really proud of yourselves. You guys made magic this year, and we are so proud of you.
Number 11, Onyx.
I'm not good with words, so I actually wrote mine out. Onyx, today we get to do something pretty special. We watched you grow into the kind of player and person that makes us deeply pride. We've seen you push through the hard days, celebrate the good ones, and always carry yourself with humility and strength. You've earned this medal, not just for the games you played, but for the way you played them, with courage, with makeshift, with pride. But what's made us proudest isn't just the way you've played, it's the way you've led. You've been a mentor to our youngest teams, showing them what it means to wear the jersey with pride. You've taken time to guide, support and inspire them, and in doing so, you're helping shape the future of our club. And beyond your own team, you've stepped up as a junior referee, bringing fairness, focus and integrity to every game you've officiated. You've shown younger players that the game is bigger than any one moment, and that respect and responsibility are part of what makes rugby league so special. You've earned trust, built confidence and reminded us that leadership comes in many forms. To the parents, Coach Kirk, our management crew, our media queens, our volunteers, our club, our supporters and our Wilco family, thanks for always being there at the games. So here's your medal, Onyx. It's a symbol of an awesome season, but more than that, it's a reminder of who you are and who you're becoming. It's a reminder of your team. We love you, we're proud of you, and we can't wait to see what's next.
Number 12, Owen.
So I'm not much of a speaker, but first game, watching you boys, you guys have improved so much. You guys are literally Mustangs. And we're new to Mustangs this year. This is our first season here at Mustangs and we love it. My family are very passionate about footy, as you can tell on the sideline. They love it. They love encouraging you guys to be you. I want to thank the volunteers, the coach, the manager and all the parents for taking time out of your day to bring your kids down here to make Mustangs what it is today. Thank you so much.
How you going? Those who don't know me, I'm Owen Pop. We come from a very passionate rugby league family in New Zealand. He's got grandfathers, uncles and aunties that are all top sportsmen. I've watched Owen since he was 5 years old at Wynnum. He's been here his first change of club, which is quite hard for him. I think he's got a lot to offer the team. He's a great competitor and a great footballer. And I can see the foundations of a champion side. And I'm very, very honoured and proud to be part of the journey. Now you guys know what it takes to win a grand final. But you're still champions, making it there. Now you're going to be champions of champions to win one. So, mate, next year, you know what it takes. Dedication, heart, and the love of the game. So thanks to all the staff, and we love this place. It's awesome.
Nan will have the cuddle. Can Nan have the cuddle?
Oh, Kane, get in. 13, Preston.
Well, first off, what I'd like to say is it's an awesome achievement to make a grand final. It's a really hard thing to do. I'd like to thank the club for welcoming us. It's our first year here, so that's a cool achievement for us too. We felt really proud to be here. We're really proud of Preston. I think he's been really consistent. And I think there's a lot more improvement in the team each year. And we'll keep come back. And the coaching staff, thank you for welcoming us so much. All the supporters, the volunteers, the club, everyone who actually does those little extras, that means a lot. I think the boys have all grown a lot, and I think they're all, they're really comfortable here. And I think, the sky's the limit, so I'd love to see where we go. That's the consistency for me.
Number 14, Nick.
First of all, I want to thank Turkey. He brought Nick up from Div2
And I want to thank each and every one of you guys. You looked after him, tucked him under your wing, and taught him a lot. He's actually a second roller. You wouldn't think it. He's played hooker for Kirky all year because that's where Kirky needed him. Finn, massive shout out to you. You taught him a lot. He's come a long way as a hooker. Until next year. So, massive shout out to you for not only knowing how to be part of the Div2 team, making it to the grand final, but learning a new skill set at the same time.
Number 15, Lecker.
You said that.
Hi guys, I just want to say the management and the team. Before we started this club, we've been playing for Browns Plains, and we came here because my daughter wanted to play league because Browns Plains didn't have a team. So we bring both of them here and we fell in love with the club, especially the family atmosphere over here. So I just want to thank you for the team. Even though you guys didn't get the win, but you guys won our hearts.
Yeah,
To all the parents, just remember, children, if it wasn't for your parents, you would have won. Because your parents got you here. So credit to all the moms, to the fathers. Leka, his full name is Sunia Tuyone Hafoka'ula. He's a Tongan blood by descent. Something that we instilled in Leka is God, faith, and his family. Always be humble, always be hungry, and respect your elders. And always tell him, don't be a dick, son. He's a lovely kid. It's hard to express, but I'm very proud of him. I think his mum deserves this, but I'm going to give it to him. Just want to say I love you, son. Yeah, I think next year, less Roblox and less Fortnite.
Number 16, Penny.
On behalf of my wife and my kids, family, I would like to say a few words. Thank you so much for you guys, also the coach and the management, and all the boys. Having my son is part of your team. You guys is such a blessing for us. It's my first time here. We always proud of the boys, and also our parents. We came here. Penny is a soft man, join my family and also the church. I always say to him, it's very important for your life. Come and see step and play for Mustangs is very important for you. But me and encourage you, the key for your success is your discipline. You have to obey your leader. You have to follow the leader's instructions. And now, whatever kind of situation, whatever kind of outcome will come, we appreciate you boys. And Penny is not one to play. The last couple of 3 years, and I say, oh, can you go and find a club for you? And he said to me, no. And I said to him, why? It's very hard for me to tackle the big boys. And one of your around his friend Jermaine come and say, oh, can you come and watch my game? After that day till now, he's a man to do the job. He's a man to lead in sports. And I'm thank God. And I say to him, play from your heart. Play from your heart. I love you, son. It's not my son, it's my friend. I always say to my kids, to my friend, thank you so much for you, for having my son in the bunch of your team, and God bless you all. Thank you so much.
Number 17, Tatali.
I'd like to thank the coach for your support, your encouragement, and all your staff. All of you is friends, families, and all the boys here. And all I just say to Vitaly, never give up. Keep going. You'll get ready. And you always give up. Whenever Archie will do the tissue, he always stays sleeping. You did it. Today, not the result that we had to get, but it's a good day. It's a good day so we can learn our mistake. And we keep going on, and we get it.
Number 18, TK.
Funny hearing other parents say that their child is not a kid of many words, because mine's 4. You could probably say the speech himself. TK and I were reflecting in the car on the way over about this year for him. This is his 3rd grand final consecutive, and we were saying how fortunate he is. Not everyone gets that opportunity, let alone 3 years in a row. And whilst you are fortunate, I want to call out to everyone here that comes from hard work, mate. That's not luck. You don't get lucky coming through to 3 grand finals. Effort and attitude will take you everywhere in your life, and you always apply yourself. I'm so proud of you for that. I said I'd make this short and sweet because I get emotional talking about him. But I'd love if you were pressing to apply that effort and attitude to math terms. I think I speak on behalf of Preston's terms. But you took a leap of faith at the start of this year, leaving your old club, coming to Mustangs. You wanted to come and play with some of your mates, and I know that it didn't quite work out that way, and I was a bit disappointed at the others. But what I appreciate is that you never threw a tantrum, you never got the shits, you just got out there, you committed to your cause, and you engaged in everything. You made a difference, and you showed leadership over there. And hopefully everybody saw that value, and got called up to more accountability. So I know you're 1.5 seasons into one, and I'm so proud of you, mate. Dad is, we love you, and you know, this is our 3rd grand final, but we've never had this. So this is a real testament to Sandians on in the club and what everyone here has created. We're proud to be a part of
Yeah, Number 19, Dylan.
Firstly, bad luck today, boys. Next year, bigger and better things. He's working hard. I know Dylan works hard, and every week he hopes. He hopes we'll give him a call up for the team. Anyway,
Also, thank you for having us, for having Dylan. This is his best year at the club. Pre-season we trained with most of the boys. It was unfortunate he didn't make this team, but he also was a leader in his Div2 side. He did quite make the finals. Also with Dylan, he started under 7 at East Tigers.
Knew it.
Also, I've got Dylan's a brother of 4. So Dylan's the youngest. The oldest is 28, and then Ryan's 27, and then Jose is 25. So all 3 brothers also played for East from under 17 to under 18. So, with the Lockyer name, they come from Darren down. So with the Lockyer name, Darren is actually his uncle. Darren and Jason are first cousins. Their fathers are brothers. Also, God is, he's going to do it or what? His brothers want to be the haka. They want to invite all the boys up. It's only going to be kamati. These all know.
There you go. Good practice.
And the parents who want to join, they're all more than welcome. His brothers all call him the Māori Aussie.
Same about
And he's got nieces that are Cook Island, Samoa and Tongan and their teams. So has got his older brother here. Can you stand by the boys? Let's go. Ready? Go.
Oh, you think he's going to do the haka shit, don't you?
Come on, boys.
Doesn't matter, some actions.
Come on, Dylan.
Come on, boys. What are you going to support in?
Pick him up, pick him up.
Oh, get off.
Come on, boys.
Come on.
All of you stand up and support him. Let's go.
No, love and don't know it. Great, Neil.
Neil will help you.
Yeah.
As I touched at the start of this, we're one sport, you know, one team, one dream. Unfortunately, we can only play 19 players on game day, but it took a lot more than that to get us there. We used a fair few boys throughout the year, okay, and there was only a certain few that were asked to train on with us at the end of the season. Unfortunately, with no promise of game time and whatnot, but these boys made massive contributions to obviously playing in semi-finals and helping us along the way, just with being there for us. So on today's game sheet, number 20, unfortunately you didn't get a jersey, but Maddie.
Yes.
Yeah. So there's definitely been a common thread through a lot of the words that have been spoken today, and a lot of that is around the culture and the family spirit within this club. I think Maddie and Kirky might correct me. I think this is our 4th or 5th year at the club within this group. Maddie played for Kirky last year. Yeah, 4, 5 lost track. Yeah.
So yeah, played for Kirky last year. Was lucky enough to play in that grand final win we had last year over at Worsted. So yeah, that was the first thing I wanted to recap. Is just what a sensational group of people there are in the club and within the team. Like, this is an awesome group of lads. I think Matty's quietly is a pretty good judge of character, and he loves being around this group. He loves playing footy and training with these lads. I think that shows. Certainly, any time I say to him there's a chance to play for Kirkland Div2, his face lights up. He loves it. Second of all, congratulations, lads. Like, to get to the GF, step up a division, play through the season, get to the grand final. Win or lose, that's a sensational achievement. So you've got to be so proud of yourselves for achieving that. And also, congratulations to Kirky, Kate, Adrian, Dean, like everyone, everyone was contributed. The stads that turn up to training during the week here and helped out. Congratulations to you all. As for Matty's season, well, it's had its ups and downs. He got dropped out of last year's season to play for the start of the year. That was a setback for him, fair to say. But he showed a lot of character. He picked himself up. And we had a lot of heart-to-hearts, but he just focused on Matty and doing what Matty can do. I said to him, if the opportunity has come, mate, you go and play for Turkey. It's taken with both hands, and he's done that. We've played quite a few weekends where he's had 2 games in different locations when the opportunities to come in and play for Kirky's team and play with these lads. So I'm incredibly proud of him for taking those opportunities. Incredibly proud of the character he's shown. Unfortunately, he didn't get to play today, and that was a bit of a kick in the guts, so to speak, for him. But once again, Saturday morning, he got up, dusted himself off, showed a ton of character, and said, I want to be there on Sunday. And I want to make myself available if I didn't want to wish anything on any of the other lads. If there was an opportunity for him to come and play, he was going to make himself available. So that shows a ton of character, Matty.
Yeah.
So, all I can say is super proud. I still don't think we've seen the best out of Matty yet in his footy journey. I think every year he gets that little bit better and that little bit better, a bit more confidence, a bit more belief. I've seen a ton of that this year. I think there's more to come, so...
They got you. This one's going to be a very reluctant participant, I already know, or recipient, I should say, I already know. But he gets it. Like I said, he's part of this team. He always has been. Been part of the team for a while. Instills a lot of confidence in our boys, and has helped shape some of our players to be the confident men they are on the field. Without him, I don't think that we would have carried on this season as well as we did. We were unfortunate to lose him in the trial game, season-ending injury, which was devastating to not only himself but us. It hurt us as a team, and you can see that by our results earlier. It took us a while to recover from it. So Austin, you got this.
Like Coach said, it was unfortunate that Austin was out in the trial game. I know he doesn't like to admit it, but he took it pretty hard. We're still unfortunately waiting for surgery, so he will be out next season as well, which sucks. But God willing, when the surgery's done, he can do his physio and come back better for under 17s.
Yeah, boy.
Austin has said numerous times that he doesn't feel like he's part of the team, but I know a lot of you boys have made him feel, and especially when Tanya and Kate and Bree and everyone all just remind them that he is part of the team despite an injury. So
I just want to say thanks to the boys and the club and everybody.
Austin would like to say something too.
Put me on the spot, Dave.
Good job.
Too much.
Righto guys, that concludes the medal presentation for today.
Hang on, can I just say something? Nanny, I'd just like to say, for the people that we have lost over the years, I know they'll all be very happy of you all, even today with your game. Thank you, boys.
Sorry, one more. Sorry, just before we go to food, Kate wants to close out, and then.
Sorry, I know everyone's hungry. I'll try and read really quick. Before we get stuck into the food, and trust me, we've all earned it. I want to take a moment to thank the incredible families behind the team. To every parent, carer, sibling, and supporter who's prepped, packed, driven, cheered, and shopped, we see you. You fueled this season with love, laughter, and logistics. You've turned games into memories and made sure our boys always had what they needed on and off the field. From the early mornings to the late nights, from cheering in the sidelines to the feast we're about to enjoy, you've been the quiet champions behind our loudest moments. Before we wrap up, there's someone we need to thank, not just for the drills, the game plans and the sideline calls, but for the belief, the patience, and the unwavering support. Coach? You've been the heartbeat of this team. You've guided these boys not just as players, but as young men learning what it means to show up for each other, to dig deep and to carry pride in their jersey. You've taught them to chase excellence, to bounce back from setbacks, and to play with courage and character. You've built a culture of mateship, respect and resilience, and that's something they'll carry far beyond the field. Thank you for the evening training sessions, every pep talk, every quiet word of encouragement. You've shaped the season we'll never forget, and a team that's stronger because of you. From all of us, players, parents and proud supporters, thank you. You're not just a coach, you're family. We love you, coach. Let's eat.
Alright, so we are about to eat, so first please, Penny leads the boys in prayer before each game, so I'd like to call on Penny to say grace for us. Sorry, Penny.
Sorry, okay, sure. Won't take up much more of your time. First of all, can I get put your hands together for the team as well as our coaching staff? Not only making a second year into the grand final, but also paving and putting Mustangs on the map. Not moving up from Div3 to Div2 and to be there in the grand final is massive. So a huge achievement there, boys. Big shout out to our coaching staff, our management team, for all your hard work that you put in. I don't think I still see many coaches with a notepad and notebook. Hardest working coach that I see. You're coming through on a Monday to a Thursday and he's out here on his notepad on his off days. So it speaks volumes. These boys here have turned up here. Massive shout out again to our parents. Without you guys, thank you for believing in the club as well as the coach and coaching staff. Thank you for being a part of this, our club. We welcome all our new families and we do look forward to many more new players to come through. And I guarantee you after this year, this season alone, we may be looking at 3 under 16 next year. So it speaks volumes again on these coaches, the coaching staff. Where we talked about the culture. We as a committee, we're just the face
for the club, but it starts with you guys, your coaching, our coaching staff, and as well as yourself as a parent. So thank you again, guys. Yeah, enjoy the moment. I know we're don't rush into pre-season, coach. We're probably already planned something. No, that's all good. Thank you very much, guys.
Alrighty. So, just been told there's a few mushrooms and onions and stuff that are about 10 minutes away. However, they look like an absolute smorgasbord, and these ladies are about to dislocate their shoulders from leaving these flies away. So, what I'll do is I'll get Penny to say grace for us all, please. If you'd like to start, please start. If you'd like to wait for mushrooms and onions, please do. Show a lot of love to each other. Let's enjoy the rest of the day. Penny?
Cookie, the mushrooms aren't in a beef Wellington, are they?
Oh, who made these?
Oh, work it.
Boston.
Owen.
Okay, let's go.
Times, let the music play. We're making memories today. We got our share of ups and downs, but somehow we always find our way around. Through every storm and sunny day, we stay together, didn't fade away. The world is spinning fast, but we're still here. With every heartbeat, with every cheer. So let's keep dancing, let's keep the vibe. In every moment we feel alive. Through the stars and the tears, we come so far. Now we're shining like the brightest star. We take a look around and all we see is the love we share, the